Hey guys, it's Shannon. I just got back from the Dollar Tree and you know how I do this. I just give you guys a big haul before I put it all away. And I usually organize this all so it kind of makes sense as I'm going through it, but I just seriously just opened all the bags and dropped it in front of me. So I'm gonna get started with the haul. I spent $40 and some change. There's some projects I want to do, there's things we needed, so it was just kind of a big haul today. And yes, I did buy Christmas. I don't know why, I'm just so scared that they're going to be out of Christmas when Christmas time rolls around. They're already pretty well picked over fall. I mean, there's really not a whole lot of anything left except for like Halloween and some floral stems, so I was kind of disappointed in their haul today, but I picked up 5. I know, crazy, right? 5 Christmas trees. I got some white and some green. Actually, one of these is for my daughter. She wants one for her bedroom, so I made sure to grab her one. Then I saw these really cute trick-or-treat bags, so I grabbed 2 of these. One for my daughter, one for my son. I'm actually gonna put their names on here somewhere. Maybe at the top, maybe at the bottom. I'm not sure where, but definitely going to personalize these for them. So super cute. A really cute 8x10 picture frame. It's a copper color, which I thought would be really pretty for fall. And a little notebook because I live off to-do lists and mine's about gone. Some safety pins because I just needed some yesterday and had none. So when I saw safety pins, I grabbed those. So I knew I didn't have any here. Also some tea lights. If you remember, I bought a luminary, a pumpkin luminary from the Dollar Tree last time, my last Dollar Tree haul. And so I grabbed some tea lights to put in there. These are maple pumpkin cream. I have the votives of this scent and they smell so good, but these would be better for that luminary. So I grabbed these tea lights for that. Some packing tape for a project coming up. Some wax paper, socks. I know, right? So exciting, socks, but these are kid size 3 pair for a project coming up. I also saw these sitting on the shelf and I knew if I wanted to try them, I bet my kids would probably want to try them too. They are the Thin Mint Girl Scout Cookie Cereal. So if you guys have tried these, let me know in the comments, did you like them or not? I had never seen them at the Dollar Tree, so sound like a bargain to me. Also, these clips, I've used these before, but these are for a project coming up. They are called Jumbo Plastic Clothespins, and there are 6 of them in there. A roll of craft paper. You know, I buy this pretty much every time I go. I go through this stuff really quickly. Some paint brushes, a set of 3. You cannot beat this deal. I mean, you usually go somewhere and you pay $1 for 1 paintbrush, so you get 3 at the Dollar Tree, so I grabbed more of those. Band-Aids, these are actually really good. They're the fabric Band-Aids, and they stay on really well, so I usually grab these too. Now for some cleaners. I love this stuff. It's Awesome Oxygen Orange, so I just kind of throw this in the washing machine as a fabric and laundry booster. Some shower cleaner. I love this stuff too. You just kind of spray it on. It kind of deep cleans, and then I scrub all the walls and then rinse it off. So this makes cleaning the shower a lot easier. Some more kitchen cleaner, the Spick and Span antibacterial kind. I usually make my own, but I'm not loving the vinegar smell right now, so I wanted something that was a little less smelly, so this stuff smells much better. A lint roller. This one says it's extra sticky. I don't know. 25% more adhesive, so it might work a little better than the regular ones. I don't know. Oh, these were so cute. These little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers, and we needed a new set, and I thought these would be cute for fall. I have 2 baskets. These are the kind that these little side things pop over, and then you can stack these. So very cool. I got 2 of those. A cutting, well, it says it's a chopping mat, but it's like a bendable, flexible plastic that you can cut on. Some of this Spanish moss. Another pumpkin for a project. So if you guys are interested in all these projects I keep talking about, I do lots of Dollar Tree DIY projects, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss some upcoming fall projects I have planned. This was beautiful. I've never seen these there. It is a mercury glass container, and it has this little plug in the top so you could put some kind of liquid in there. But it was so pretty. Be pretty on a little vanity or on your bathroom sink. I love mercury glass, so when I see things like this, I have to have them. I almost grabbed 3, but I restrained and I just bought 1 for now. A foam wreath. You know I do lots of wreaths on here, so I have another one coming up. Paper plates, because we needed more of these. Some Aleene's tacky glue. You know, crafters, we gotta have our glue. I bought 3 more of these pumpkins. I just recently did a video tutorial where I did 4 different designs with these pumpkins using this pumpkin as the base. And so if you want to see that, I will link that up in the iCards as well as down in the description box below. And last but not least, I bought 3 packages of coffee filters for a project and because we also needed coffee filters. If you enjoy these Dollar Tree hauls, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what item was your favorite and what will you be on the lookout at your own Dollar Tree from all the items that you saw in my haul today. Also hit subscribe so that you see all the great DIY projects that I have planned coming up using the supplies that I bought at the Dollar Tree today. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified and you're one of the first to see when my videos go live. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.